the S.T.A.R.T video framework is a framework that I've developed from well over 10,000 videos, just studying everything, learning from the best, applying, creating content for myself, as well as multiple niches. And what it stands for is the S stands for stop the scroll with a powerful opening hook. Don't talk about yourself, y'all. Sorry to burst your bubble. We live in a attention era where there's infinite content coming out there. So stop the scroll with a powerful opening hook. We just mentioned one of the ones that I do. These 5 websites feel illegal to know. Or if you stack these 3 websites together, it's going to destroy the internet. Or a recent series that I've been doing is ChatGPT Secrets You Should Know, part X, Y, and Z, part 29 I'm on right now. So it's a scroll stopping hook. The T then is talk about a problem that's associated with the opening hook. This is how you're going to increase the view duration and hold their attention and create the curiosity gap. When you talk about a problem that's relatable to that audience, they want to continue to learn more. It's kind of delayed gratification a little bit, which shout out to Pat Flynn, you just mentioned. I coincidentally just was studying his short pocket monster. Brilliant framework. Okay. Go study his framework. So stop the scroll with a powerful opening hook, talk about a problem. The A stands for align with the audience and build authority. So this is where you can briefly mention yourself, share that you overcame this, share that you've helped somebody overcome this, that you are the trusted authority to talk about this problem in the first place. Then the R stands for resolve that problem with actionable advice. The best marketing lesson that I ever learned is to give your best information away for free. So the R in the framework is really going to be the meat of the content. Just give the answers, give amazing information to hold their attention, deliver incredible value that they can't scroll away because they feel like they're going to miss out. And then the T is tell them what to do next. Call to action. Click that link in my bio and schedule a call with me, or follow me if you want to master ChatGPT, or share this with a friend who needs these websites. Just a single call to action. But if you follow that framework, it helps you stay dialed in with the best practices to stack the odds in your favor. So many content creators just scattershot and try anything that they can with no real strategy. But if you just follow a framework like the S.T.A.R.T video framework, you're much more likely to stack the odds in your favor that your video is going to stop the viewer, qualify the viewer, hold their attention, give them incredible information, and then a call to action to tell them what to do next so that they keep coming back.